How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To get over. Emily and Nick are in a coffee shop. They're discussing Emily's recent breakup. I can't believe David and I are not together anymore. I'm heartbroken. Breakups are tough, Emily, but it's part of life, don't you think? Indeed. I know I'll feel better once I start focusing on myself. Absolutely. Heartbreaks are tough, especially when you shared so many moments together. Yeah, we had a lot of great times, but I think it's time I start getting over him. I need to focus on my own happiness now. That's the spirit, Emily. You can do it. Quiz time. What does to get over mean? To quit a habit? To stop trying? To overcome something? To call an ex? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To overcome something. Phrasal verb secrets. To get over can mean to overcome an obstacle, like a fear or a disappointment. It can also mean to recover from something, such as an illness or a difficult period. To get over can also mean to move past someone or something emotionally, like an ex. Synonyms for this word include to overcome or to recover from. Phrasal verb extras. Get is an incredibly difficult word in English, and here it implies that someone is changing their position, which is very abstract. We have to study and understand this verb based on context. Over, in this case, implies crossing a barrier or overcoming an obstacle. We can often understand phrasal verbs with some help from context, but abstract information like this will help. After we use the verb to get over, we need to follow it with a noun or a pronoun. Get over something. Phrasal verb extras. Get through is similar to get over, but usually implies surviving or enduring a difficult situation or period. After many weeks of grieving, she finally got through her breakup and began to enjoy life again. Get can also be combined with other prepositions like get away, to escape, or get back, to return to a previous state. Remember, context is everything. Examples. I finally managed to get over my fear of public speaking. He didn't get over his first love for a long time. It was very difficult. Do you have a problem with what I did? Well, get over it. When was the last time you had to get over something difficult? Share your story in the comments. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Heartbroken. Deeply sad. It's part of life. It's a common experience. Focus on myself. Pay attention to my needs. That's the spirit. That's the correct way to behave. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.